Right, just a quick one. Let me just see if I can put this up a little bit. Because these have just arrived. They are gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, I'd put a picture here or something like that, but they are stunning. Look at that. Beautiful. And I bought them in just to see how they were, and if I like them, I will get them again, and I like them. And then there's this one as well. Now, just ignore this, because it needs pressing out a little bit, because they don't wrap them very well to my liking, but it's got diamante clusters on. And these here, but everything can be cut apart. And that's why I like them. Just beautiful, look at that. So there's that type. And this one is just vibrant. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And, of course, this one's back in again. Because you know what I said we had them? We sold out again. We sold out immediately. So I've got those in again. I got a few this time. Beautiful. So I'm going to add that to the video that I'm doing, and these will be on the shop now. Right. Now what I've done is I've cut 4 inches of this ribbon. We do sell it in the shop. And it's gorgeous. It's like a mint green. Beautiful ribbon. And then I've cornered them, taken the corners off, and we're just going to stitch along the straight edge. And I've also made some leaves. I've shown you how to do those. We've got videos out on that. So right now I'm just going to do, I can do this, use this one. It's just to do a running stitch along the edge, putting all of these together. It's a nice petal is this one. It's quite right, just do that. Gathered. I like that. When it's on, when you've done it. Quite full petal. It always reminds me of like poppy petals. And I've done 5. Now it is wired ribbon, and I've just taken the wire out of both sides. Right, so I'm just going to snip that. And then just fasten this together. Pull it tight. Like that. I'm just going to pull this like this, separate all the petals, and they kind of like overlap each other, which is great because that makes it look better. Like that. See, just makes a gorgeous flower. Now to that, what I was going to do was to add, see, that looks gorgeous, pink and mint green. But I don't know whether to put one of these on first. It's not quite big enough for me. So what I might do is I'm going to dismantle this, I think. No, I'm going to do this one. Let me just take this off. Right. Because this is what you can do. You mix and match your flowers. See, like that. And I'm going to put that one in the middle there. That's just going to look gorgeous. So let's just get this going. It's been stood for a while with nothing on it. Let's flip that back over. So you can get that in the centre. Yeah, that's really pretty. Do you know what? I could have just... Oh, Look at that. Right, I'm just going to make sure I've glued that one back down. Instead of doing that one, let me just check. So I'm not sure which one I want to do. I love this one. And these are in the shop now. Oh, yes, definitely. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I did do some leaves. Yeah, you can put them on before I put the back on. And I think we'll stick that there so we can actually see the leaf. And I've got another smaller one. Which I might just add there. That's it. You don't need much. Then I've got some white fabric. And lay that over there, which covers them completely. Like that. God, isn't that pretty? And I think I'm going to do a stick pin. Now, do I want a rounded one? I'm not sure. I just want a... I think we'll put a gold bead on. Whoops! Oh, I nearly dropped them. I'm going to put a gold bead on. See what I've got in my little pots. Oh, I've got one of those. Yes. Now, I've done this before with these triple butterflies, which actually I can't even get them anymore. I've had them a long time, but I can't get them anymore. I've not seen them. The shop I got them from no longer sells them. They have two little hole bits sticking out, and you can just pop them straight through like that. So I'm going to do that again. Put a... Yeah, that's fine by me. And just attach that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let me just bend that back a little bit more. Yeah, I like that. And then what I'm going to do is to pop that down there. Like that. Oh, just beautiful. Love it. Oh, another one. That's just to show you how to mix and match these. And they arrived in today. So that can now go on something else. I was going to put these in. I don't think. No, I'm going to keep it as it is. I absolutely love that. So that'll be in the shop shortly for sale. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.